Stoners, it's Quiana DK checking in once again. And
it's just me and my disciples. Talking to God while we smoke dope. We keep the lighter in our circle.
Sippers and Stoners, it's Quiana DK checking in once again. And what we're doing is going to the store so that we can make some the Flamin' Hot Cheeto chicken. I've been watching videos all day of people eating the Flamin' Hot Cheetos on the chicken. So I went ahead and took some wings out, and we're gonna get the rest of it right now. 45 minutes later. Okay guys, so damn near an hour later, we was just wandering around the store for like no reason. Anyway, we got the stuff we need, and I already got the kids at home peeling potatoes and getting shit ready, so yeah, it's gonna be on. What up, my sippers and stoners? It's Quiana DK checking in once again, and I got Quiana with me today. And you know, we're trying these Flamin' Hot Cheeto chicken wings. You know, it's all the rage on YouTube right now. All of the best YouTubers is doing it. So guess what? I'm doing it.
I'm doing it too.
We doing that shit. That's all I'm saying. So we got a few French fries, we got some carrots, we got some cucumbers, because, you know, we wanted it to be well-rounded. We didn't want to do too much potato and go overboard with the fried foods. We wanted to get some freshness in there too. Really, that was her idea, because I was totally okay with just having wings and ranch. I'm just saying.
And cheese.
Anyway, we're just gonna dig right the fuck on in, okay?
Yes.
It looks great. It looks like what I've seen on TV. So I'm really, really looking forward to this.
Alright, let's see what it tastes like.
Okay.
What you coming for?
Oh, you can skip the ad in a couple of seconds. We're skipping the ad. Okay. So the first time I'm gonna try it without any ranch, okay? Just to see what the flavor is like.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, that's
okay.
what I'm gonna do too.
Okay. Okay. I like the flavor.
Yeah.
You definitely get the hot Cheeto flavor. Yeah.
It's like an after taste.
Like while
like
you
get it at the end, kind of.
or something like that. If you are a wing person and you like hot Cheetos, this is for you.
Yeah.
It's really good. I'm not a wing person, and I'm still saying it's good. Let me just put that right there. Yeah, it's cool. It's really crunchy.
It's not too hot.
Nope. You don't need any more hot sauce. You can definitely add some if you want. It wouldn't hurt. Homemade fries are always good.
And sometimes rally fries are good too.
Found rally fries at Albertsons. Oh, I didn't know. I don't like rally fries.
That's why you didn't know.
Everybody else loves rally fries. I'm probably the only person I know that doesn't like rally fries. I think it'd be too seasoned. It's overly doverly seasoned, and I can't take it. Okay.
I like them. I think they're the shit.
Damn. Oh, thirsty ass. What kind of ketchup are you? I'm a dipper. I'm not a drowner. Like, I need to make a puddle of ketchup and dip my fries in. I don't like to pour the ketchup on top of the fries. But that's always a personal preference. So it really just comes down to like, which one are you? Are you a dipper or are you a drencher? Like, which one are you?
I'm both. Also, I'm a one fry and line the ketchup on each fry.
She is.
Get the packets.
So,
bam.
This broad gets a fillet of fish today, right?
Oh my god. It was so good too.
Do you know she squeezed ketchup out of the pack on each bite of the fillet of fish?
So? Shit.
Just squeeze that shit in the middle.
I did that. It wasn't enough.
First of all, when that fucking ketchup hit that tartar sauce, that's the McDonald's experience. With them fries. Listen, it's alright to me.
The only thing that's missing is the orange high C.
Why the fuck did they put the orange high C?
That goes together like it. People don't understand what they did by taking that away.
So now I'ma dip one in the ranch. You see that? Ooh wee!
Why?
Now I want to taste the leg.
Okay, so the ranch lifted a little bit.
Got some of this nice Olive Garden.
Put it up there, girl. So that's it one.
Olive Garden. Italian.
There you go.
Yeah, I'll see it.
You know you like
Ladies
that Olive
over
Garden.
some of these cucumbers right here.
That should be bomb as fuck. Cucumbers with a little bit of Italian dressing. Yeah, yeah. You want some?
The shenanigans.
You want a bite?
You don't want no bite of her old half, 8-ass piece. She didn't offer you no bite at the beginning.
You lucky I offered you a bite at all.
Ooh.
It's gooba. You understand?
Ooh.
Listen,
What is it? I don't know.
I don't really like wings, so for me to be enjoying this right now is huge.
True that.
It's just, they're really good.
Pardon me. Where you put this?
Right there, good. Yeah. Listen. Yummy, okay? All the way down in my tummy. Yummy. What? What'd you say? Oh. See that? Take a bite, guys. You can have the first bite. You want ranch on it? Okay, here you go. You ready? Woo-wee! Okay. You know who I'm gonna have make me some of these? Blake. So my
I
friend
bet
Star,
you he can make some. Oh,
over at
wings.
the Swift Family 5, right? Their son Blake, he cooks his ass off. I'm gonna have him make me some, but I want him to make mine tenders. I think I would love these so much more if they were tenders. Like, if I didn't have to
really
debone,
get in there.
yeah, you know what I mean? I don't like always fucking with the bones, you know? And I don't like the little shit that be, like, look, you see that? You see the little veins and shit that's in the middle?
The stringies and the
Yeah,
insides.
Don't make me, because I gotta eat it I don't like that shit. So I don't like to look at it when I eat it. You know, so I eat so I can see the side only that I'm eating and try to psych myself out. It's good though. Yeah, that's alright. You want another cucumber, guys? Don't you already got ketchup on your fries?
Barely.
Isn't there a ketchup bottle right there?
What?
None. We didn't get the Hidden Valley Ranch packet. I'm gonna tell you why. Because one was $3.49 plus tax. What?
And we do that Albertsons. You know they charge out the ass.
So we got store brand, okay? It was so good. It's thicker, but I think I like that better. You know?
You can fix the consistency though.
I like it.
Sometimes, well, you know, like what Wingstop does. They do that like a packet, and then they use some ranch dressing, just another ranch dressing, mix it all together. That's what makes it a little more soupy, maybe a little water.
Well, I don't even be liking ranch dressing in the bottle. The only time I enjoy ranch dressing is if I'm at Denny's. Who else has some really good ranch dressing? Wingstop has some really good ranch dressing. That's probably it. Those are the only two places I enjoy ranch dressing. The only other time you'll see me with ranch is if I'm putting sriracha in it to make me a little dipping sauce or something like that. I don't know why.
Pizza.
What's up with y'all that put ranch on your pizza? If you like ranch on pizza, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know.
And say Quiana's right.
Quiana is right. Ranch does not belong on pizza, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It doesn't.
She obviously don't know better.
I know better than to put ranch on my pizza.
Again, so she obviously don't know better.
I'm just saying.
Bless her heart.
So a topic came up, and I'm gonna drop it and y'all let me know how y'all feel. Do y'all believe in love at first sight? And along with that question, if you were dating somebody for 1 week and they then said, "Oh my God, I'm starting to fall in love with you," would that be a red flag for you to run? Or do you believe that some people do have the ability to feel love after a week, regardless of if they know your last name or not? So we're talking about that, and I don't know. I guess I have my feelings on it. I'm mixed. I believe in love at first sight. I do. I know for a fact, factuals, and there's people that can verify this. When I walked into Crenshaw High School Elite choir room in the 9th grade on the first day of school, I walked in with my homegirl. I looked to the right, because you know when you go in the choir room, Miss Stevenson desk is to the left, the piano's to the right. And it was a group of girls crowded around the piano. And they were all watching this one guy sing. I couldn't hear him sing, but I just saw this bright smile. I saw him singing. I looked at my homegirl and I was like, I'm gonna marry him, watch. So, 4 years later, when I graduated from high school, because he did not fuck with me while I was in high school, I was a bugaboo, and he could not stand me, if I'm gonna just be honest with you, okay? Graduated from high school, though, and maybe I started to look a little different, I don't know, but we got married in 1999. We got married in 2000, but we got together in 1998, and we were married for 10 years. That's love at first sight, if you ask me. What about you? What's your feeling on that?
That was absolutely love at first sight for you.
Right. Only for me.
It's possible too.
Only for me, you know
No.
it was not love at first sight for him. Clearly. But you say you do think it's possible for some people. Mm. Yeah. I do. Especially nowadays, because she brought up a point. People get to know each other on social media before they meet in person most times, you know? So, by the time you meet that person face to face, you could have already developed ridiculously strong feelings for them. You know what I'm saying? Do you believe that you could love somebody without having ever met them in person, face to face?
I believe it's possible. I mean, everybody from back in the day, I'm sure they feel like they were when you had the party line and all of that shit.
Oh, not the party line.
No, everybody was on that phone shit. Near
Calling
and
late.
far.
He live in Memphis. That's Bay. Did you have a Bay on the party line? You got a party line, Bay?
I'm sure there were a few.
I'm just saying. I ain't gonna lie to you, y'all. This shit good the whole time. This shit alright right here.
I want one of the legs. See how it tastes. Was it better?
I thought it was good. I don't know if it was better. It was good. Said no one ever.
That's what she said.
Do you hear the music? Because if you don't, then you have no idea why I'm grooving right now, and then I just look really retarded. Oh, you can't say that on Earth no more. I just look really crazy, huh?
Can't say that either.
Damn. Everything will get you fucked up these days.
Oh, okay.
See, that's because I shouldn't have said the shit.
That shit came right back on you.
Did. Sometimes karma is instantaneous, y'all. Sometimes that shit don't wait to come back around.
Right.
That should stay right there. Alright, this is my last one, okay?
Now, that time be moving quick, man.
Quick. Every time we sit down with y'all, we look up and it's like 16 minutes. Goddamn. Well, y'all, that brings another session to a close. Do catch us for the after mukbang session on the Mukbang and Mary Jane page.
Yeah.
We trying to bring y'all the freshest shit. But until next time, I am Quiana DK, and you never know what's going to be in this morning's cup.